Hey everyone! Today we're back with a quick video on the latest deals on electric scooters for the month of May and June 2020. We've been reviewing many electric scooters lately on our channel, and we find them super convenient and also a fun way to get around, especially when trying to avoid public transportation or car shares. We found there's been a few really good deals on electric scooters for this spring, so we wanted to share them with you. We also got coupons and discount codes from these scooter brands for our watchers to save money. So be sure to check the description below for all the links and discounts. Alright, first up we have the Trax XR and XR Ultra. The Trax is one of the best budget electric scooters, starting at only $250 for the XR model and $350 for the XR Ultra. We have a coupon code in the description that will save you $50 off the XR Ultra, making it only $300. These scooters are simple, light, and a great deal for a budget scooter. We reviewed them and rated them the best scooters for the price. The XR has a range of up to 12 miles and will run you $250, while the XR Ultra gives you 16 miles of range for an extra $50. The two models have the same features, with a top speed of 15 miles per hour, front headlight, and dual braking using the electric motor in the front and a disc brake in the back. Trax is also running a deal right now on a previous model called the GXL, and you can get a refurbished one for only $199. This is one of the lowest prices on an electric scooter we've ever seen. Next up, there's a Segway ES1 scooter from Walmart for only $350. This is a Bird branded scooter that is still brand new since they were never put up for rentals. It's a great deal on a Segway ES1 scooter, since they cost almost $100 more when you buy it from Segway. The ES1 has a top speed of 15 miles per hour with a range of 8 to 10 miles. The two differences with this Bird model and the retail model is that it does not fold and is locked in sport mode, so you can't put it in eco mode to go slower and save battery life. Another great deal on a high-end performance scooter is $100 off the Wide Wheel Pro from fluidfreeride.com. We recently reviewed the Wide Wheel Pro as one of the best performance scooters for 2020. It has great specs, featuring dual suspension, ultra-wide tires, fast acceleration, a top speed of 26 miles per hour, and a range of over 20 miles. Currently, the Wide Wheel is priced at $1,300, but if you use the coupon code TECHWEWANT100, you'll save $100 off your order. Finally, the last deal we have is on the Levi scooter. The Levi is normally priced at $500, but we have a coupon code that will save you $25. It's a lightweight e-scooter that has a quick releasing battery so you can easily bring it inside to charge, or quickly swap it out for long rides. The Levi has a top speed of 18 miles per hour and a range of 10 miles in sport mode or 12 miles in eco mode. Levi also has a Plus model which has a larger battery on the front. The Plus model has the same speed of 18 miles per hour and a range of 16 miles in sport and 18 miles in eco. The Plus model is priced at $700, and with the coupon code, you'll save $35 off. Alright, that's it for now. If you found these deals helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, let us know in the comments below if you want us to feature more deals every month. Next, be sure to check out our reviews on many different electric scooters.